This table is dirty. Look at this table.
Oh no, it's really dirty.
There's food on it.
And some water too.
I don't want to sit here.
Me neither.
Let's call the waiter.
Good idea.
Excuse me.
Can you help us, please?
Our table is dirty.
Yes, it's not clean.
Can you clean it?
Or give us a new table.
A new table is better.
I agree.
Do you have another table?
Is there one by the window?
I love window seats.
Me too.
Is that table free?
It looks empty.
Let's ask.
Excuse me, is this table free?
Can we sit here?
Is it clean?
It looks clean.
No food on it.
No water either.
Good, let's sit here.
This is nice.
Yes, and it's near the window.
I can see the street.
I can see the garden.
Is the chair comfortable?
Yes, very comfortable.
Mine too.
Good, let's order food.
Can I see the menu?
Here you are.
Thank you.
What do you want to eat?
I want a sandwich.
What kind?
Chicken sandwich.
Is it expensive?
Let me check. It's $6.
That's not bad.
What about you?
I want soup.
What kind of soup?
Tomato soup.
How much is it?
$4.
That's cheap.
Yes, and it's warm today.
Soup is good for cold days.
Today isn't cold, though.
True, but I still like soup.
Do you want a drink?
Yes, some water, please.
Just water?
And maybe orange juice.
Good choice.
What about you?
I want coffee.
Hot or cold?
Cold coffee, please.
Is it hot outside today?
Yes, very hot.
That's why I want cold juice.
Makes sense.
Should we order bread too?
Is it fresh?
Let's ask the waiter.
Excuse me, is the bread fresh?
Yes, it's fresh today.
Great, we'll take some.
How much is the bread?
$2.
Okay, that's fine.
Let's also get a small salad.
What salad do you have?
Green salad or fruit salad.
I like fruit salad.
Me too. Let's order that.
How much is it?
$3.
Not bad at all.
Our total isn't too high.
Let's check the price.
Sandwich 6, soup 4.
Bread 2, salad 3.
Juice and coffee 2.
Maybe $20 total.
That's a good price for 2 people.
I agree.
Should we split the bill?
Yes, let's split it.
$10 each.
That works for me.
Okay, let's wait for the food.
It's taking a little time.
Restaurants are busy today.
I see many people here.
Yes, it's a popular place.
The food smells good.
I can smell it too.
I think our food is coming.
Here it is.
This looks delicious.
Mine looks great too.
Let's eat.
Wait, is the table clean now?
Yes, this new table is clean.
Good, no more problems.
Let's enjoy our food.
This sandwich is really good.
My soup is also very tasty.
The bread is fresh, like they said.
Yes, it's soft and warm.
I love this salad.
The fruit is sweet.
Is your juice cold?
Yes, very cold and fresh.
My coffee is perfect too.
This was a good choice.
Yes, better than the dirty table.
Next time, let's check the table first.
Good idea before we sit down.
That will save time.
Yes, and no problems later.
Are you finished eating?
Almost just a little more.
No rush. Take your time.
Thank you.
This place is really nice.
Yes, I want to come again.
Maybe next weekend?
Sounds good to me.
Let's ask for the bill now.
Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?
Here it is.
Let's check the total.
It's $19.
Perfect. Close to our guess.
Here is $10.
And here is 9.
Thank you for the food.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Let's go now.
It was a great lunch.
Yes, even with the dirty table at first.
Everything got better after we moved.
I'm glad we asked for a new table.
Me too.
See you next time?